Here are the top 5 reasons why you shouldn't use Python. Let's get started. So the first reason that I would have for not using Python is that Python's lack of static typing, despite gradual typing via MyPy or that sort of thing, means that large-scale code bases get messy very fast. If you're working in a team and you want, like, say, maintainability, or you're building something long-term, languages like Go, Rust, TypeScript, or even Java offer more structure and fewer runtime surprises. And one that I've actually think is overlooked in this list as well, you might just take a look at Elixir, which I'll talk about in a minute. Number 4, the decline in relevance in cutting-edge AI. Python still dominates AI and machine learning in 2025, but cracks are forming. New AI frameworks are written in Rust, Swift, Mojo, and they're gaining a lot of traction for performance and scalability reasons. For people entering AI now, the bleeding edge isn't strictly Python anymore, if I'm being perfectly honest. Number 3, bloated ecosystem for simple tasks. While Python has tons of libraries, it often feels like overkill for small projects. Now, simple desktop tools or scripts often require bulky dependencies like NumPy or Pandas, even for like trivial data tasks, which bloats projects unnecessarily. Number 2, mobile and front-end development. Well, it ain't its thing, right? Python just doesn't do any of that. Python has almost no presence in mobile apps, browser-based development. If you're aiming for Android, iOS, interactive UIs in the browser, you're better off with like Kotlin, Swift, TypeScript, or Dart, i.e. Flutter. Wait, no, that's EG, right? Okay, never mind. You get what I'm trying to get at. Now, the number 1 reason why you shouldn't learn Python in 2025, it's just simple. Performance bottlenecks. It's still too slow. I remember Luke Smith made a video some years ago saying basically the same thing, that because it's interpreted or dynamically typed, that sort of thing, it's slower than, say, C, I think is what he said. But even other languages, C++, Rust, or Java, right now, I've been learning Elixir. That's a compiled language. Like a lot of these languages that are compiled, they run a lot faster. So if you're building like performance critical software like games, real-time systems, or high-frequency trading apps, Python, well, I just have to say it's just a poor fit right out of the box. So what do you think? Leave me a comment down below and tell me if I missed any reasons why you shouldn't learn Python in 2025. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace, everyone.